Hello friend, today in this video you will be able to see the different shape of rock. So let's see. Friends, this is a close-up image of the surface of Mars taken by NASA's Curiosity rover with its Mars hand lens imager camera. Scientists call this strange texture surface concretion or nodules. Friends, this rough textures indicates that water was once present here. These shapes are formed when minerals reach water seeps inside rocks and slowly accumulates and hardens. This surface is evidence of long-term water activity on Mars. Friends, if you are interested to see Mars and Moon videos, please subscribe your channel Planet Alive. Thanks for watching.